In this video, I'm showing you a really simple hem on a dress using a magnetic seam guide. This is a casual cotton jersey dress that needed to be a little shorter, but still a maxi length. I pinned the desired length on the wearer first, and an easy way to make sure it's evenly pinned is to match the sides up, starting from the center and working your way out to the side seams. I do this with the front and back. As a second check, I measure at 4 points and write it down to make sure there aren't big discrepancies. I measure at the side seams and center, front, and back. If there is a difference, I make it the same. Usually the side seam should be the same and the front and back depends on the type of skirt it is. On this dress, the back needed to be shortened more than the front to be all the same length. Then I ironed in the fold. After that, I remove the pins and cut off the excess. Keeping in mind the finish width I want to achieve, I'm allowing for 1 1/4 inch extra. I set my seam gauge at 3/4 of an inch from the needle, so I have ½ inch fold under, and since it's top stitching, I'm using stitch length 3. After sewing, it's best to iron the hem once more to flatten it all out.